sila ang bilis? Bakit ako parang ang bagal? Kung naisip mo na yan kahit isang beses, trust me, hindi ka nag-iisa. Minsan nga habang nag-scroll tayo ng social media, parang lahat ng tao umaangat. May bagong business, may bagong sasakyan, sold out yung products, ang daming bookings, ang daming achievements. Tapos tayo parang, ba't ganun? Ang bagal ng progress. Parang feeling natin, may mali sa ginagawa natin. Pero here's the truth. Hindi lahat ng mabilis na growth ay sustainable. Just because someone grew fast doesn't mean everything is going well behind the scene. At isa pa, hindi lahat ng nakikita natin online ay buong kwento. Most people only share the best 10% of their lives. Yung promotion, yung sold out, yung new house, yung travel, yung blessings. Pero hindi nila madalas pinopost yung sleepless nights, rejected proposal, unpaid bills, anxiety, failures, lahat ng sacrifices na pinagdaanan nila. So kapag kinumpara mo yung buong buhay mo sa 10% na sinishare nila, talagang mafe-feel mo na napag-iwanan ka. Comparison will always steal your peace. Instead of asking, bakit sila ang bilis? Try asking yourself, ano man pwede kong gawin today para mas maging better ako kesa kahapon? Kasi hindi naman race yung success. Hindi porket nauna sila, late ka na. Hindi porket mabagal ka ngayon, hindi ka na magiging successful. Sometimes, slow growth is actually healthy growth. Kasi habang mas mabagal, mas tumitibay yung foundation. Mas marami kang natututunan, mas ready ka na sa mas malaking blessing kapag dumating na to. Kaya stop comparing your behind the scenes sa highlight reel ng ibang tao. Focus on your lane, celebrate your small wins, keep showing up, keep improving. And most importantly, trust God's timing. Because God is not writing the same story for everyone. May sariling timeline yung bawat isa. At kung faithful ka sa journey mo, dadating din yung araw na ikaw naman yung magiging inspiration nung iba. Not because ikaw yung pinakamabilis, but because you never gave up. So the next time you catch yourself asking, bakit sila ang bilis? Bakit ako parang ang bagal? Remember this, you are not behind. Nire-ready ka lang ni God sa future mo na pinlano niya sa'yo. Thank you for watching and God bless.